Sa Palmer.
Sa Palmer.
Pero sa Ilocos kami.
Oo.
Andun si mother. Ay, tingnan mo. Mga pakilala kita sa ano. Siyempre, kababayan ka. Oh, try it, Julene. Ay, mother taga... Ay, Jilana, go push up. You got a free one. Ay, mother taga Cavite. Si Kuya. Jilana, do a push up. Mahihain naman to mga anak ko. Asti, sa Navy. O, kumuha kami ng ano, ng hat. Mother taga Cavite. Yeah.
Bibisitahin ko na yung mga tao.
Oh, sige, thank you. Nox naman, astig. Thank you, Kuya. Do it now. Let them do it.
Go, Julian.
Wala kang candy. Wag mong bilhan ng popcorn, ha? Just try it one time.
One.
About you, Jade? Jade, just... we get the freebies. Ba't naman mahihain itong mga to? Wag mong bibig... Grandma is not gonna give you money, ha? Just try it.
Even after doon.
Well, just... Ate, kala ko try mo.
Me?
Oh, try mo na sa sila na, and then Julene, and then si Jade. Okay na, try mo na. Sige na, try mo na nga. Okay. You won a t-shirt, Nate. Sayang din yung t-shirt. Okay, kaya mo ng 8. 8. Sir, can we do it, sir? Yeah, okay, do it. One, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You got a t-shirt. You got a t-shirt. I thought you got a t-shirt. Ay.
Sticker lang.
Hindi yung ano yung sa leeg. Ay, yung leeg. Can we have the... What do you call? Oh, yeah, that one, no? Lanyard. Okay, thank you. Thank you. Okay, next. Julene, your turn. Tell it to the sir. Sir. Okay, try. Jade, your turn. Next. Up to 8. Harap ka dito, ah. Why you don't face us? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You got a sticker. Jade, harap ka dito, Jade.
You can do this, Jade.
8.
One.
2,
Jade, try one.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good job. Yay, thank you. Jade, you can get a sticker. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Okay, just do that. Even like short video standing. Good job.
Good job.
Good job, guys. Okay, let's go to the inside the plane now.
Well, see, this is huge crowd, so you get this out of the way.
I know, yeah. Just take a... Don't... give me that now. Hindi ka naman... Don't be like... You need your hands stand... Yeah, like... steady. And then you can do lots of short then. Short like 7 seconds. All that. And then stop. And then 7 seconds. If you don't... Yeah. Oh, Thunderbird souvenir. Mother ni. Wala nang ibang bag? Oh, okay. No, let's go to the plane first. What plane? Yeah, the big one.
Or the helicopters. Want to go this way?
This way and then we'll turn around.
We gotta also find out where our spot is.
Let's go to the plane first. Ang liit naman yan eh. The big one first, han?
Which one?
The big one. Dito